Hello guys, you use smartphone Infinix Hot 11s. This version 6GB memory and 128GB Intel memory. Look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, documentary, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, and now talk about device made of plastic. On the back side, triple camera. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side, power key with fingerprint scanner and warm keys. On this side, camera. Downside, Type-C port, headphone jack and speaker. On front side, 6.7-inch display. Okay. Display Full HD IPS 990 Hz. Look results. We have CPU MediaTek MT6769 octa-core, 6+2 cores, and GPU Mali G52. Single core score, multi-core score. Okay, and look onto the benchmark results. 5 touches support display. Onto the benchmark results and run the demanded game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works on the max graphic level and works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.